How do we keep these bars from making noise and having friction when we're working out? Watch this video and find out. How in the world do we stop this from making noises and being a lot of friction? The solution is SuperLube Silicone Lubricant. It's a spray. You never want to use any type of oil-based lubricant because these are plastic parts on metal, and plastic and oil do not mix. The plastic will fall apart. Step 1, wipe off the bar. Make sure it's nice and clean. Step 2 will be to spray the bar. I don't want it to spray everywhere. And I don't want to have too much. What are the results?